Okay, I get a lot of wheat. You had a lot of
شوف كتاب يقرأ كله شوف كتاب شوف
They never know if they
I know, but it's cheap.
So, good morning from Marrakech. I will now quickly show here the room. That is my apartment. There's a small sink here in the mirror. Then we have a bathroom with a big shower and very good hot water. Then here are the two beds and many nice pictures. Some books if you want to read. There is an aircon for summertime. Now at the moment it's not hot, it's quite cold actually. Then they have nice pictures here with these blue streets. I think that is in Chefchaouen. Then over there, which I didn't use, they have a microwave, a small grill, an ironer, kettle, coffee machine. It's all wooden here. Then here, Gina Lolo Brigida, and some more pictures. Here you can play dart. Here's a seating area and the TV, which I haven't used yet, and nice pictures. And I will show now the rooftop terrace. So now it's Wednesday morning, almost 10 o'clock. These are the roofs of Marrakech, over the roofs of Marrakech. And there's the mosque. I'm directly here in the Medina, in the old town. Here's the smoker's point with a nice lady, two chairs. Everywhere shops and cafes. And there you can still see there has been an earthquake a while ago, and there are stones lying around. There was a big earthquake here a while ago. And in the background you see the mountains. And in the morning when I was here very early there, I saw the hot air balloons flying. Through the sky. And yeah, last night I didn't film so much because I was a little bit busy. But we were first in this rooftop restaurant there, but there was no music. The music is only on weekends, and at the moment they said there are not so many tourists. And am I filming? Yes, I am. And then we took a taxi to the Nobu hotel, to the rooftop terrace. This rooftop terrace, and when you want to go there, you need a reservation. And then first down you have to make a reservation that is next to this Louis Vuitton shop, with this huge sign that is in the new area of the city, where that is it's like in Dubai. Oh, it's all brand new and very expensive. Then you have to make a reservation down and give your phone number and all details. And then there is a private lift that goes up. And then yeah, there were only rich people. And for example, the price of one cocktail was 190 dirhams, that is like 19 euros, almost 20 euros for a cocktail. And then I thought, wow, that is really not cheap. And there were mostly foreigners or Europeans. But then there was a show starting. There were dancing girls. That was like in a cabaret. And yeah, that explained the high prices, and that was great. The music was good. I made some clips. I will show them here. That was really good, but it's extremely expensive if you compare that here to the normal prices. But for one time you can go there, but you know you have to pay a lot. Yeah, and now and then I was really so tired and had a last tea here at this near the Jama Al-Fna. Then a very good sleep, and then now I'm standing here. It's 10 o'clock. And I will go now. I don't have so much cash anymore. I have only like 15 euros in dirham, 150 dirhams or something. And I will try to get an omelette or something, and then must find a money changer or an ATM. And then eventually I go to the hairdresser because I have to cut my hair. It's really too long. Yeah, and then you will see. I cannot talk all the time here when I'm walking through the streets, and there are so many people, but it's really nice. It's for us Europeans here, that is really an absolutely different world, and it's really beautiful. I'm really surprised because that is all original old. There are old buildings, and it's not like in an amusement park where everything is fake. That is really real here. Yeah, and that is here the awesome view of my terrace. Actually, the views from the rooftops are not so nice because there's so much rubbish here. They put so much rubbish on the roofs. Here, all the air conditions, then the satellite dishes, and there's everywhere rubbish. But maybe it's also because of the earthquakes, and they had so many problems here. So I don't want to talk too much about that. But as you can see, there's really a lot to do, but they have probably also other problems here. But they have, at least they have really tourists. And then what I want to say, I've never seen so much police and in the city in my whole life. There's everywhere police and everywhere military and with guns, and that's very good. And especially they're here in the center, and also in this expensive area there, the Ivernage, where the Nobu Hotel is, and the Sofitel. there was so much police with machine guns and all, and they protect everything so that they don't get any problems here again, and that is very good. I really am a big fan of that. Yeah, and I haven't heard any prayers yet here today, but every now and then I think it's 5 times a day, but I haven't heard it yet because I was sleeping before. Here, there, everywhere mosque, and then suddenly it's also another world, it's another religion, and in Germany, in my country, we hear the church bells ring, and here there are the prayers. And this is also nice here. They have a nice collection. They have a nice collection of these plants here. Very beautiful. So that was here my morning introduction on my rooftop terrace in Marrakech. And it will not be raining today anymore. It's awesome weather, and later it will be 28 degrees, and we have almost end of November, and it's awesome. In Central Europe it's cold and raining, and here that's what we all want. We Central Europeans, we don't have that all the time, and so I'm really enjoying that, and that gives this gives energy and power to the heart. Okay, peace, see you later. While you are here, then leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and check out the other videos. I will film more later. This is something that the insurance doesn't want to see. And Ryanair has a new regulation about hand luggage, so you can maximum take the size that you will see now. And I bought from AliExpress this small backpack. It's not the best lighting here, and it has exactly the size of the cabin. Then you have no discussion at the gate. And some people take too big bags, and then I must pay 75 euro extra. And that was 16 euros here. It's very good material. You can also put it on your big suitcase, and that is enough here for 2-3 days. That is more than enough. You can also put your laptop inside if it's not too big, but I didn't take mine. And I can recommend to get such a cabin size bag, and for Easy Express they have a bigger allowance, but that is here for Ryanair, the one. Then you have no stress. What can you take inside the cabin? And you can put the bottles here. Very good. 16 or 17 euro. And if you fly with a cheap airline for like 3-4 hours, then take such a 2 euro mobile phone holder, and then you can watch your downloaded movies during the flight. Then you don't need an entertainment system, and then it's nice on the table in front of you. And this is probably the smallest coffee in Marrakech. It's a normal coffee. And here I started in the morning, and then I will film later again at another place. Thanks for watching.